I had too many apples in the fridge, so I decided to make an apple pie. For the filling, in a pan, I'm adding half a stick of butter with 6 apples, which I have washed, peel, and slice. To that, I'm adding a half a cup of sugar, a quarter teaspoon of nutmeg, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Cook until the apple is halfway cooked, and that would be about 10 minutes. Now for the pie crust, I'm making it in the stand mixer. To the stand mixer, I'm adding 2.5 cups of flour and 1.5 stick cold butter, which I have cut up. Then let the mixer work the butter into the flour. When it's a nice and crumbly texture, add water slowly to form a dough. The dough is starting to come together, so I'm going to turn off the mixer, throw this onto the countertop, make it into a ball, and divide it in half. Now I used to put this dough into the fridge right away, but it's hard to roll out when you're ready to use it. So what I did was roll it out really fast, put it on parchment paper, and then put it in the fridge to chill. Now I'll build the pie. So I take one of the pie crusts and place it in the bottom of the pan. Press it down so it's end to end in the pan. Then I'll add my apple filling in. Press it down so it's nice and even. Then I'll add the next pie crust on top and I'll cut it to fit the size of the pan. Push it down so it reaches the apple filling. Then I'll pinch the 2 crusts together. Cut out the excess dough and I'm pinching it to make a design on the edge. Then I put a cross or an X in the center for an air pocket. And I'll bake this for 1 hour and 15 minutes at 375 degrees. When it's out of the oven, let it cool down for at least 45 minutes to 1 hour. You can have it by itself, but I'm having it with some vanilla bean ice cream.
So good.